So in the last video we have inputted the Firebase core setup. We have done the integration of the Firebase. As you know, we have done several steps as we done the Firebase config files, Firebase configure, export path, and we have like run different commands to starting with the Firebase login, then the CLI integration, then the path setup, then the Flutter web configuration. At this step, we configure our project in our Flutter Firebase, and after that, we are ready to go with the fun. Okay, so now this project is connected with the Firebase project. As you can see, we have all the parameters over here. As you can see, I have done for Android and iOS, not for Linux, not for Windows, and not for Macs. Okay, so everything's done. So it's now time to start with the authentication. So first part was the integration of Firebase, second part was integration of authentication, and third part we will be completing the authentication. Okay, so as you know, what's the basic of your authentication? It's sign in, sign up, and it's for login and forgot password, right? So there are like 2 to 5 terms we have to use. So using Firebase, you can like done it very easily. First of all, I'll just reduce all of this shit. Remove all of this. Okay, and let's create let me just create a sign up page right for now. So I will create a stateless class and name it sign up page. Okay, and let's cover it and add it over here. It doesn't require any title and everything looks good. I don't know why, but my browser is not browsing right now, so I'll just move forward with the I have to just close it, I think, right? Yeah, just let me close my other apps and stuff. I think my device is not working correctly. We'll be just doing that again. Connecting it as my device. I will restart. So we have created our sign up page. So after that, we will be getting scaffold, right? So these are the main terms. After that, you will be creating a body, then you have the column in it, and your checker. So now let's create. For this, you need 2 text fields, right? So I have my widget, which is custom text fields, so I can add it. So just don't copy it about this. It is like just for the UI part for you, right? It's not a thing. After that, we need a text controller, so we will create a 2 text controller to take the input and output. Text editing controller, and we will create an email, and we'll just create a text editing controller. We'll copy this, we'll paste this, and another one will be password, and we'll also require one more for the name. So this 3 text editing controller we will require. We're starting off with the name. We'll create all 3, which is email, and finally a password, and put in the commas, and everything looks good, right? Now I'll go to the again start my emulator for once again. I hope it's worked. So we have our 3 controllers, we have text editing controller, and finally we will create a custom button. I have that widget too, and what it will do on the on tap is also fixed. So now it is a sign up page. So simple terms, what will be you doing? So you require a Firebase auth, right? So you don't have the Firebase auth package. So for that, just you have to get the Firebase auth package, and you can get it from let's open our Chrome, and we'll just log in, guest mode, not required, Firebase auth. I know it's lagging a bit, but it's not going to work it. And we will just, you have to write the pubdev for this. We copy the pubdev, copy the code, again back to our YAML file, and we added it. Everything looks good, and now as my app is building, let's me build the app too. It's giving an error. What it is forbidden. I think we just get the 4.00, right? one. We can get that. Okay, so I need to have the correct example version, so I'll just open my old project. Just give me 1 second. And we'll get the authentication. We'll just go down and down and down. Because like I have different SDK, you will get the latest one, so your latest one will work, so no issues about it. We use Firebase everywhere, so we just have to go from here. I'll use this package, right? I'll just put it over here, and that's it. Yeah, you can see we have done with our packages. Build this building, I guess. Yeah, now we are building this. Okay, so as still it's building, so we go to our main page as our sign up page, and I will just do this Firebase auth. As you can see, we got the function class over here, then we Firebase auth instance. Now we are doing the sign up, right? So we just sign up, sign in with credentials, everything. We have so many options, right? Register. You have so many packages. You can just go here, sign up, set settings, sign in anonymously. Like so much, right? Change, verify. Look at this. Just look at this. Right? So let's just directly use it. So if I just show you my live example and the sign up page. Sorry for that. Auth method, we will go to sign up function. This is our sign up create user, so we just have to go with this. So now, so we'll just create user. We are right now using the email and password because we have enabled only that. So we'll just take the email and put the email to the email.text and password.text. Yeah, that's it. So this is your sign up page, and it's just like that. If you want to log in, copy this all, remove the name, remove this name, and just go with the sign in page, and we got that password. And this time we will just go sign in with email and password, same pattern. So now you have your sign in page and the sign up page. This is it. This is the main part. After that you will be needing to wrap, because in the app, once the user opens, it automatically check if the user is the authentic one or not. And to do that, we have to create an auth wrapper, which is I have created over here. So I just go to the class. I will create it for you with you. So which is class. Okay, we'll just create a class. Name it auth wrapper because it handles all the authentication. Extends to a stateless widget. Basically, it's a stateless widget. So I just you can just go with this stateless widget auth wrapper. We'll just remove that, and just after that we will create we'll just create a scaffold over here because we need to wrap it. So this is the main thing of like a whole app. Now after that, you will be required constantly checking for the streams. As you can see, we will be required constantly checking streams. So we will create a stream builder, and in that we will be required a user for the Firebase auth, which can be now. And then we will just stream builder as it's a builder. We'll just add it over here. Builder requires two things. It requires context and it requires a snapshot, which will come on the stream, and this is it. Okay, now we require to add a now on this. Okay, and now you can just return over here a container for now. Let's return a container for now. Okay, so what it's saying is it requires a stream too. Yeah, so for that I'll just enter this. I'll just add the stream, and for the stream you will just go Firebase auth instant and auth state changes, so it will give you the stream over here, right? So now it's perfect. So now how you can handle different cases. So to that you just go to the if, remove this statement if. So for all the stages we have snapshot, so we can see the snapshot dot connection state is equals to snapshot. This is a class which is connection state class, so you can just go to the connection state class, and if it's loading, waiting, basically we will do this. So we will do something over here. We will just leaving the word here loading, then we will add else if snapshot dot connection data connection state is done. If it's done, so we will do some, which we will go to the main app. Okay, basically it's not required. So you can either also play with something which is snapshot has data. So if has data, it will go to this. Also it have to check for error post, so it will go else if snapshot has error. If it has error, it will row error, right? And finally, if nothing comes, we will just go to the landing page. Okay, so these are our all conditions we require. So starting from the first one, we will go td loading. So for that I have creating custom loading screen, so we'll just call that. It's easy. After that, for error part 2, we can just return to the sign up page, right? And for the creation of the app, snapshot main app, let's return the container for now. And for the landing page, same again, old sign up page, because we don't have a landing page. We can create one and merge both of them. So I think this is pretty clear. This is very simple concept, and it is very useful. You're gonna need it like here and there. No one gonna teach you on this YouTube. So that's it for today. I think in the next part we will be using this and building the app on the device and so much things. So that's gonna be wonderful. Thank you.